Imagine a world where peace wasn't just a dream, but a reality. No wars, no conflicts, just unity and progress. It sounds impossible, right? But here's the truth. Division carries a different motive. Unity and peace are not included. The more we focus on what separates us, the more we ignore what could elevate us all. Peace isn't passive, it's powerful. A world at peace would unlock resources spent on wars to solve real problems: hunger, education, climate change. Imagine the progress if nations collaborated instead of competed. Peace amplifies potential. When we're not fighting each other, we're free to build, innovate, and thrive. I've seen firsthand how small acts of peace, choosing to listen instead of argue, to unite instead of divide, create powerful ripple effects. The same principle applies globally. The path to peace starts with choosing unity, one decision at a time. Division drains, but peace multiplies. Unity accelerates progress. Division delays it. What's one way you can choose unity over division today? Practice the pause before responding in conflict method. First pause and ask, am I creating peace or feeding division? Drop a dove in the comments if you're ready to choose peace. Don't forget to like and share. Division is easy. Peace requires power. Choose your power wisely. It's time to work on your purpose.